Wow.
Pardon? Order's gonna be ordered in the bar.
What hand this way?
No, I can't. Have a lovely night, guys. Take care.
We go on the journey now, right?
No, I'm just trying to get the video. There is, it's like a laser. Yeah. Just stop it now and then like re-record it or just let it be?
You're right.
It's gonna stop in 7 minutes, but I don't know what's happening. I have no idea. I don't know, it's like that laser, it's like oh, the fountain's lit up! Totally missed that. That would be the fountain being all spiffy and lit up. And I don't know what the laser's doing, but it's doing some kooky things. Making weird lines. Oh! Hello! And the globe is nice and lit. That was what was going on. Is something holding it? Oh no, oh it's...
What? Oh, it's the globe!
It's a globe. That's freaking awesome! And the water is...
You know what I really thought it was at the start? I thought it was a dragon, I'm not gonna lie.
I thought there was a lady holding it. I was like, what the heck is that?
Zoom in.
I did, but it's blurry. Like, look.
Oh, zoom out, zoom out.
Yeah.
Oh, so cool. Hope nobody's eating here. I'll go.
Woo! How long does it last? It's like a 9-minute video.
I need this.
Oh, I have no idea. I'm hoping not more than 9 minutes. It would really suck. Oh!
What?
The fountain over there is making some pretty colors. All blue and green. It's wine. It smells like wine.
This is the wine.
Yeah.
I don't know how much wine it
Okay. Lights went on. Cool. You can't see it, nothing's over there. There is what's over there, but here we see it. I'm going to scoot over there.
Somebody said, hey, yeah. Could somebody give me a yeah? Yeah.
Oh, it's rainbow! Fountain has gay pride.
Oh, wow. Not the video.
Oh, I get it. It's leprechaun time. the lasers are doing cool stuff again.
No, I'm trying to get like up there because otherwise it's the trees and it's kind of pointless. Is that the aerial? Oh. This is the aerial.
Maddie, can I get a hell yeah?
Turn. I have to see you. I can't see you.
What I said was, can I get a hell yeah?
Hell yeah!
You don't know fireworks until you've been to Disney. Because that, my friends, no matter how blurry the picture may have been, that was awesome. And you know what? My feet hurt and I was tired. And now, I'm like, oh, whatever. I'm pumped. I got my Frenchy fries. Maddie's got her nuggets. Got the Diet Coke. Which, of course, they don't sell Pepsi here at all. Whatever. Yummy.
They're yum yums.
My commentary on the event.
Yes.
Yeah. So, I think it's time for that song. What was it? What was it, Maddie?
Do you want me to sing it with you?
Yeah, you're gonna sing it with me, right?
Oh god, okay.
Okay.
Set this up so we can actually like... I go stand. Let me see where I have to sit. No, back.
Just hold it like this. Okay. What was it, Maddie? What was it? I'm a Disney World. I'm a Disney World. Twice. You never say it more than twice. Never. It's just twice. It's like a peace sign twice. Just remember that. Peace for the pictures. No, twice. You always say it twice. Like you like